birthday trip starts from here. Happy birthday, Didi. Mom, Dad have come to drop us. Do Mom? We're back at the airport for Rinku Punjabi's birthday, annual birthday trip. I straight up feel like an old uncle with my drink and my peanuts. Just killing time and watching content. This is what life is all about. Not complaining, honestly. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is 2026. It is our first international trip of the year, and it is annual birthday girls trip, and we are at T2 heading to. We can tell them they're gonna know in the.
No.
Okay, you will just know once you know. And very excited. It's a girls trip. Mom, Dad are not here, but we're gonna have double the fun to compensate for the fact that they're not here. So happy birthday, Rinku Punjabi. Truly a birthday miracle, because what is this? Why do we have a ramp towards our gate and it's powered by Hershey's? This time we were flying Vietnam Airlines. 100% recommend Vietjet. Was a very bad experience last time. Birthday! After celebrating her birthday and completing 4-5 hours in this flight, we finally reached, and Vietnam has welcomed us with this beautiful sunrise. We have reached Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. It's like 6 a.m. I have done my skincare, removed my makeup and everything. We are in our car, ready to go to our hotel, chill for a bit and start our day. Just passed this garden and there were people playing like badminton, and this is like their Patwardhan Park. We have reached our hotel, Cecilia. Just chilling for a bit till she gives us our room. We might get a spa or like some coffee and breakfast or something very sleepy. But that's it. I need one tear coming out of your face. You have to listen to it with audio. I can see a tear. No. I can see your nose becoming red. So cute. Love you. Just out here exploring the city. Coffee is a very big culture, and it is like early in the morning, breakfast time. Because our room check-in lady is being like a total bitch. And let's just explore what we have. We're going to Book Street and we pick up some brekkie and maybe get a foot massage or like any massage, and then come back and do a check-in. Exploring grocery stores and different countries. Ramen has become like our favorite thing to do. Literally, I want to have a beer already. I need something to freshen me up. Picked up a coffee. The coffee here, just the beans itself just wake you up. They're so nice. But the sky is so pretty here. Like the air is just so clean. Everything looks pretty HD. Dude, there's a Minion hop-on hop-off bus with like a life-size Minion there. We're at Ben 10 Market. It was on the way, so we'll just go. We have to go to Book Street, but we were just walking towards it and we found this shopping place. So we have time to kill, might as well. People are taking our interview. Getting interviewed on the streets of Vietnam. Food in my country would be pani puri or vada pav. Yeah. Just got these hand fans. Really hot, honestly.
कुछ हवा नहीं आ रही तेरे को आ रही है क्या?
Yeah, उसको
गलत कर रही है क्या?
नहीं. How can it be galat? We have finally reached Book Street. It looks very pretty. We love Book Street so much. We went there twice. Literally, this is something you should not skip at all. Why we came here to the Book Street. This man makes like beautiful. This is a place you'll get it all, from keychains to souvenirs. We have made our way to the most famous cafe on Instagram over here. This cafe is so pretty. There's like a place to sit here. There's like a lot of books and all there, and like a fish situation here. Honestly, the cafe food and coffee was pretty AVG, but the look of the cafe, the ambience was really great as every nook and corner had something cool. Just ordered the matcha tiramisu biscoff croissant thing, and it comes in like this. I love this thing, whatever it's coming. Made a new friend.
Hi, I'm Ink.
What did I teach you?
Clock it.
I'm teaching everyone this.
Clock it, I know now. I'm gonna say it to my friend. Everyone,
Perfect.
whoever I see.
Yeah, just clock it. As you saw, that was Ink, who has randomly come to me and started talking, and then we turned out to all of us have started like ranting about men all over the world and trauma bonded over man hating, and she's having boyfriend troubles, and we were like, no, you go girl. I made her literally talk to my mom because she's the baddest of them all and she's a baddie too. So, and I taught her how to clock it, as you guys saw, and sweet girl. But I mean, ये तो सब जगह का प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है, थोड़ा geographic specific नहीं बचा है. It's everyone. People in Bangkok have problems. She's dating an American, he's giving her problems. French men giving problems. All men everywhere giving problems only. So, little room tour. We have got this suite in Sicilia, Saigon. This is not the best part. The best part is this. I was purely sold because of the bathtub. That's it. Guys, we literally woke up from our sleep and this is the sky. Like, look at that. Hello, good morning. It's actually evening. Good evening. It's almost like 6-7 something p.m. and we woke up from our nap, freshened up, ate. I didn't vlog anything. We were so tired. We still are, but I feel it's going to be a good night. Now we'll get ready for the hop on hop off bus. Last time जब हम यहाँ आए थे हमने वो नहीं की थी and we didn't get to explore Ho Chi Minh as much. Honestly, what we have explored Ho Chi Minh up till now, like the whole day, I think we didn't even do that much last time. We were so tired and like we had 100 things to do last time. Like it was the last leg of our trip and we were very tired. So anyways, now we are going to do a lot more things here. We're here for a few days till 7th. That's like 3 more days. So I'm just setting up my booth. I love having things set up in my room. I love having my bed clean. I'm just gonna show you all my stuff, my entire section here. I'm gonna put my accessories, my hair tools. Everything needs to be in its place. My shoes, my washroom is all clean. My shoes are kept there. Everything needs to be in its place. Anyways, so I'm gonna quickly get ready and show you the final fit. And we are ready for the night. We'll cut Didi's cake and then go for the hop on hop off bus. This is the outfit. Sent us a cake. Happy birthday. Thank you. We're ready to party for the night. Ho Chi Minh City in the night looked so cool. Like literally there are so many colors. The street looks amazing. To have a banh mi. She wants a tofu banh mi. Messy vegetarian. And it's like a Subway only essentially. First banh mi of the trip. Cafe culture in Vietnam is intense. This is juice coffee. Gonna try it. My sister tried it. Doesn't taste like any cheese thing. Yum. This is nice.
Coffee is nice.
Dude, I love the coffee beans only. They're roasted like perfection. Up the street, there's so much to do. There's literally like there's a random panda there. If you're someone planning to go to Ho Chi Minh, definitely get on the hop on hop off bus. The nightlife, the street lights, the skyline of Ho Chi Minh is so beautiful. You cannot miss this. Just look at it. The toughest decision to make right now. Most important also.
See this one.
We're choosing what beer to have. I don't mind any of the local ones.
Export premium.
Beer is so cool, bro. They have a lime Pepsi and a raspberry Pepsi. Just walking to 4 Piece. We hope that it's open. and they take us, and there's no waiting because we're hungry. And the only thing is here, everything is shut by like 11ish. So, no food. We need some good food in our system. At 4Ps, we're getting a table in 5 minutes, and maybe hairstyle is questionable.
The hairstyle is just like
Yeah, what's going on?
because I'm sweating. It's so hot.
It's not that hot in Ho Chi Minh City, but I remember having.
Look at the pink car.
I saw so many of these pink cars, but I remember having our New Year's meal
Yeah.
that back in 20 when it was turning 2024. Yeah, at 4Ps. Pizza everywhere, and we're doing that. It's really good. I've never had a better pizza.
The best one was Singapore. Clarke Quay.
That where you
God.
had egg.
That was
They
the
made her
best
have egg.
pizza on.
Yeah.
Oh,
That was really good.
Though the most expensive pizza
Yeah,
I've
we
had in
paid
my
like
life.
5,000 or something for a pizza.
5.8 for pizza.
It
was
wasn't like a
best.
fancy spot.
No,
It
but
was
the-
like a just by the river.
But the pizza was really good.
Pizza
It was
was
truffle.
amazing. Worth every penny.
It was too good. It was too good. I'm like salivating. It was too good.
As you can see, we were pretty buzzed by then, but we love 4Ps. Like, this is a petition to get 4Ps to India. Moving on, of course, the best nightlife is at the Walking Street, and we had a lot of fun for day one.